Hey everyone, it is Louisa from thepewterpalace.com with our 1987 32S Avion. Yes, you are looking at the cabinetry underneath our sink. 32S's have the front kitchen model, but I suspect most of you who have Avions, your kitchen of at least, like 23 footers on up, your kitchen base cabinet's going to look very much the same. So here's the thing. This kitchen cabinet always had the plunger style, and I'm going to show you on this one, the plunger style, what we call plunger style cabinet doors. However, that plunger only allows this door to open not even quite a perfect 90-degree angle. And so those were the same that were on these cabinets. They drove me crazy because it was very dark in there. I couldn't get the doors all the way open when I wanted to reach something inside, even though I have it pretty well organized. And I had to step around the cabinet in order to get things in and out. So what we did today is we removed, there's going to be a surprise when we open up this too. We removed those plunger styles. There's my surprise. I also ordered for myself some underneath. They clip onto a magnet strip. They're LED. They bring no ampage at all. And I have one on the top and one on the bottom. So now I can actually see all my stuff really good in here. And so we removed these plunger things and we just replaced them with what was on our 73, but these are brand new. It's called a barrel clasp, and it's just this little plastic receiver. And then it meets and goes into this little brass clip here. So now it just shuts like that. But the big deal is it rotates all the way back well beyond a 90-degree angle. I'm going to call that probably a 60. And the other side the same way. And with those under cabinet lights I have now, I have them set to just go on with motion in the dark. You can also set them to just come on all the time. You can use them anywhere. But this is a quick fix. You can see where we took off the plunger style. We tried adjusting it to make the door open wider. They're just too small, and this was a very quick fix just to put these little barrel clasps, and I'll put a picture on our Facebook page of the packaging. It was cheap. There's 6 to a pack. We only used 2 for this project, but now I can really swing my cabinet door open and then securely latch it. So that's my little quick fix for today. Thanks for joining the pewterpalace.com and finding us on our Facebook page, The Pewter Palace. Have a good one. Bye-bye.